Welcome to Costa Rica, a surfer's paradise, home to extraordinary rainforests teeming with life, exceptional fishing, and endless tropical beaches that fill your soul with good vibes. But this country is also known for its trove of intriguing markets filled with countless oddities and local foods. Join us as we explore the Central Market of San Jose and see for yourself why this is a cultural experience not to be missed while visiting the city. Good morning! We're here in Shenzhen, China. Just kidding, we're actually in San Jose, Costa Rica. I'm joined by the legendary Nick Stanzik, and we are going to take you on a walking tour of an incredibly amazing Central Market here in the heart of the city. We're just getting started with our Costa Rica adventure for the week, but you don't really get to experience a culture unless you see the markets, and when you're in San Jose, it is absolutely the thing to do. We're going to time warp our way all the way up to the market because it's a little bit of a walk, and then we're going to go inside and see what we can find. Maybe some fish?
Oh, we saw some fish. Saw some fish on the menu, so they gotta have some in town.
It was extra fresh too, let me tell you. And then we're going to find some bread. We're going to find some other important items that you might need here during a trip to Costa Rica. And we're going to see if we make it out of there alive. And then we begin our odyssey back to the coast. So, you ready?
Stay tuned.
Let's get it. Yeah. It was a bit of a walk, but we made it. And now we are in the main shopping district, downtown San Jose. They have all the things you would expect to find: butcher shops, McDonald's, electronics stores, clothing, all kinds of local vendors selling fruit and stuff like that. But the main event, the part that we are here to explore, is the San Jose Central Market. And that's just up the street here. When we go inside, you got to keep an eye out for all those unique items. And what I'm most excited to see is going to be the seafood options, because I'm a seafood guy. What are you excited to see in there, Nicholas?
Definitely the seafood. I want to see what they got here. I heard they got octopus, shrimp, and fish.
I think they have some swordfish in there too.
That's the rumor, pez de espada.
We're gonna go see what we can find. Let's get it. Let's go for a walk. Ready?
One thing I noticed is very windy in the streets there.
True.
The wind funnels through the streets because we're in like a big bowl, you said, right?
A big bowl, crater. But you never know which way the wind direction is going to go, and it seems no matter which way you go, you're always walking into the wind.
No doubt.
It's one of those nuances of Costa Rica. Let's go find some amazing things. We're going right. Some of the stalls are still opening. It's still very early in the morning. So they got achiote, Mexicans, pimiento comino. Buenos días. Sazón completa, paprika, curry. Good place to get a new hat. Perhaps a religious figurine. Permiso. Gracias. One of the things I love most about Costa Rica is they have some really awesome local handicrafts. You can get shoes, belts, all kinds of apparel, super discounted, and every kind of shoe you can think of, pretty much half price. Yes, they may be Chinese knockoff, but they're still epic.
I can smell the leather in there. It smells good.
It smells good, right? Leather store?
Fresh leather.
Look at all these shoes, man. Desayuno. Now we're getting into the food markets.
Número 70, 70.
Chicken?
Pollo.
There's a whole lot of wholesale chicken. You know what this is? That's stomach. It's called tripe, stomach lining.
You can have that one.
Cordero, got lamb. Those are beef tongues. See the fresh tongue?
Ah, interesting.
Oh yeah. They got the pig head over here too. There we go. Isn't that crazy? So they have all these fresh cheeses that they make. Lots of cheese. Queso con chile picante. Queso molido.
There's a very unique smell in here when you get a whiff of it. It makes me feel nauseous.
That's good. That's good. That means you know it's fresh. Speaking of fresh,
The fish.
we got fish. What do we got here?
We have sailfish.
We got some silk. Pez vela, ¿sí?
Sí,
¿Qué precio?
A tuna, which is tuna. We'll have
Tuna
shark,
amarillo?
tiburon.
1800, ¿algo más?
All right.
What's congrio?
Congrio? I have no idea. Corvina fillet. What else we got? ¿Cuánto por 3 pagos rojos? ¿Para un libro? ¿Cuánto?
¿Cómo? ¿Que cuánto pesan 3, más o menos?
Más o menos 3.
Después
Entero, entero.
Digamos así, casi como 1, como kilo y medio, 3 pescados así.
Oh, 55 pesos. That's that's good. That's a good deal.
150 gramos.
That's a good deal. All right. That's cool. Gracias.
¿Eso?
We got some frozen squid. This is squid mantle, crabs. Jamaican Mike would love those fish heads.
You can make a lot of fish head soup with that.
It's pretty good. Oh yeah. And you can see they're only 750 colones for half a kilogram there. And it's like a mixed bag of fish heads in there. They got a little bit of everything.
Yeah, looks like we got some snapper.
Kind of rough, huh?
Oh yeah, that smells terrible. Makes my throat.
Yuca, that's pretty good. You ever had yuca?
I think we have.
Yuca fries, right?
Yuca fries.
That's good stuff. Mint.
What's that?
It's the biggest melon I've ever seen. It looks great. Looks really good. Get some more sausage. There we go. This is all dried fruit. So there's some prunes. Looks like a salted fish fillet down there. All these fresh spices and everything through here. Higos picados. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. We finally found Jesus after all these years. Neat. There we go. Some fresh fried. The best chicharrones. Fried pork chunks. Makes for a really nice, healthy breakfast. Did you find the seafood section?
We have found more pez espada.
So, lomo de espada, so it's like the loin, right? Kind of a back piece.
Yeah, that's looking fine.
Piece of sailfish.
Tiburon shark.
Shark chunks, filet shark, filet congrio.
Mackerel. Fargo snapper.
Everything looks pretty good. Oh wow.
Vive más, vive mejor. Te ayuda con tus objetivos fitness, ya sea aumento muscular, disminución.
Ahí está la respuesta.
Asma. smell of this place is really intense. It's probably 50 different herbs at once. Extremely aromatic. They have fresh flowers. A lot of this is used in medicine as much as it's used in cooking. See, they got honey over here. And again, you can see all the different things that'll hopefully alleviate. Fresh rosemary. Some sea trout. Oh man, some fish. What'd you find?
Last week, Claire asked for a bunny rabbit, and I told her if we won the establishment, we would get her a bunny rabbit. We didn't win the establishment, but there's 3 bunnies or 4 bunnies down here.
Oh yeah.
55.
Nice. Buenos días.
Hola.
¿Cuánto por uno cangrejo?
Los conejos.
Conejo. Sorry, cangrejo is crab.
6,000
Cone-
colones.
6,000 colones.
Aquí se vale 950.
Not a bad deal. So you can get one of these for 6,000 colones.
A bunny rabbit?
A bunny rabbit.
So $3?
Pretty much. Maybe you should get 2 for Claire.
I don't think I can bring them home. Look at this one.
He's living the dream down there. Buenos dias. We got all kinds of fruits and vegetables. More seafood. Corvina. Cangrejos. They got more sailfish too. All that. See that? They got the.
Where's the Rosado
Manta
one?
I don't know. All the different sharks. It's pretty crazy. Wow. Look at all the sharks. Found more shark fillets. It's a lot of shark fillet.
Oh, I don't have a shark problem here.
No. All right. Buenos días. Oh, chicken feet. So all over this market they have these little restaurants that are kind of folded into the shopping, so you can stop and get something to eat. Most of the small restaurants here in Costa Rica are called sodas, and this is no exception. These seem to specialize in seafood, and now we know why, because there's just so much fresh seafood all over the place.
All the shark you can eat.
All you can eat shark?
I saw lots of shark.
What a deal. Let's keep going. New soccer ball? Jewelry. Some nice sandals, some nice belts. Buenos días. What's that? It's really easy to get lost in these places. They just kind of go on forever. Corridor after corridor. And before you know it, you're right back to the shark place.
Look at the cat.
Around here? Definitely. That spice is intense.
Yo me voy hasta las 6 de la tarde y estoy como aquí como paria. María, aquí se lo corto. Ok, está bien. Gracias.
Are you sure you don't need any sandals?
There's about 10,000 pairs of sandals from here to back there.
Those are some good looking sandals.
That'd be good.
I'm impressed. Miso. I would definitely say that the predominant retail vendors here sell either food products or shoes. There's a little bit in between where people who are making their living selling fabrics and textiles and things like that. But overwhelmingly, food, seafood, and shoes, without question.
Eso es lo que estoy diciendo desde temprano, ni pelota me ha dado.
Mira que estoy viendo más bien.
Whew. Well, that's about it.
Shopping across the street though.
We never had options to go shopping here. That is basically the Central Market here in San Jose. We covered a pretty good bit of ground. Now it's time to get some Colombian baked bread. So we're headed off to the bakery, and that's our first stop on the Odyssey here through Costa Rica. Hope you enjoyed the walking tour. If you like this kind of content, leave us a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Definitely check out Stan's Fam, but you guys already know him. It's time to go get some breakfast. We'll see y'all later.